everybody. Today we're going to be painting her. We're going to be painting her as cotton candy. Go careful eyes. We really don't make sure that we don't get any paint in the eye. See, we got some in this eye, but that's okay. I'm not going to try to wash it out because it'll wash the whole thing, the whole eye out. Now, okay, we'll just start to, okay, we're going to do the ear now. Let's do the back. Hold on. Okay, put in the water. Hold on. Let me get the towel. Let me get the paper towel. Okay. Oops. Okay, there we go. Okay. Hold on. We're going the foot. Okay, we gotta go on careful. We're going this ear. Okay. Do this, okay. Okay, let go right here. Okay, let's do this one. Oops. It's okay if you drop it, you just gotta be really sure that you don't have any paint in the eye. It's really messy if you do, but that's okay because I got some in this one, so just be careful, really careful. And be careful around the eyes. Oh, easy. Hold on. No, don't pause. Okay. Hold on, everybody. There. Hold on. This napkin's really dirty. Okay, you see? That's why I'm warning you. So you gotta be really careful around the eyes. Be really careful. What's so hot? Is that so hot? What's so hot? Yeah. Okay, everybody, look for the other one and be sure to look for it very good. Bye.